The Jenny in the Chan Cocktail, no? A basic break up. Is a PMJ, gin, vodka, rum, tequila, whiskey, brandy. Don't eat what people would look at the young side of me. And I got all basic break. Basic break, rock. Come to go to me, say, oh, my Hollywood cow deal, no? No, we while I have the guy, no, certain money by the Hollywood cow tea, the Jenny in the Chan Cocktail, no? I don't know you come basic break, which way a basic break up. Is a PMJ. Gin, vodka, rum, tequila, whiskey, brandy. And had who you cheer. No? I look at who do manager basically the cook on quite today. So was the one. It's like one Mia Maka, Papi slave, no? Teaching, no? Papi slave, the other one, gin base la, vodka base la, rum base la, tequila base la, and Luli Mia, no? And base yet, D. Say, like a real lawyer. I bet you know what I cover. Not the Bible, don't I? Gin, vodka, rum, tequila, whiskey, brandy, over. Don't jam, you base the break. And who will I cocktail of the Kama vodka, gin, rum. Diga cocktail, that we jam.